How to fix Apple CarPlay not working after update iOS 18.4. If Apple CarPlay is not working after updating, you are not alone. This can happen after major iOS updates. So here is how to do so. First of all, open the Settings app from your home screen. And once inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the Screen Time option available in there. Once inside the Screen Time, again, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the Content and Privacy Restrictions. Once you tap on the Content and Privacy Restrictions, toggle on that switch, then tap on the Allowed Apps option available there. Once you tap on the Allowed Apps, again scroll down and toggle on the CarPlay option available there if it is toggled off. Make sure the CarPlay is toggled on, and once done so, simply go back to the settings again. Now, once you are back to the settings, all you have to do is scroll and tap on the general option available in there. Once you tap on the general, scroll till the bottom, tap on the transfer reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset option available in there. Then tap on the reset all settings. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.